Hello, this is the fire station. You can call the fire station for help in case of an emergency. Hello, this is the fire station. What is your emergency? Someone has fallen into the well. We asked the firemen for help. Don't worry, the fire rescue team will set out immediately. There is an emergency. Help us put on fireman uniform and let's get ready to set out. Kiki, Ho-Ho fell into a well and we need to rescue him quickly. Let's explore the well with the life detector first. There he is. Let's get ready to go down the well to save him. Rotate the roller to get Hank down the well. It's so dark. Let's turn on the flashlight. Ho-Ho, don't be afraid. I am coming to get you out of the well. Ho-Ho feels very uncomfortable. Let's first help Ho-Ho with rescue supplies. Oh, my leg hurts so much. Thank you. I'm so cold. Thank you. Oh, I'm so hot. Thank you. Ho-Ho feels much better. Let's hurry up and get him out of the well. Ho-Ho, do not play beside the well again. This is very dangerous. I know. I'll never do it again. Yeah, great job. Fire rescue task is complete.